Alrighty folks, so a little update on this van here. For those of you who don't know, go back and see part 1. It was a little while back, got caught up with some other stuff, so I wasn't able to get to this. But I'm pretty sure I figured out that it is the ignition module. If it's not, I honestly have no idea what it is. It'll be something in the wiring. So I'm going to pop this distributor cap off, and then we'll get this ignition module out right here, and I'll show you doing that and whatnot. I'll just show little clips of it, and then we'll see if that works. And if that works, then I'll go into more extent on what my problem was. Alrighty, well, stay tuned, and I'll see you when I get this cover off. Well folks, so that was a pain. Reason why I didn't take a video is because it took me forever. This little bolt right here, let's see if I can get that to focus, but that little bolt right there was stuck in that hole right there, because that's where that little deal sits. And to get that out, because the bolt was just deforming, there was no other way to get it out, we had to cut it with the grinder. So that was actually the easiest way of doing it that I've found. So yeah, cut it with the grinder, got this thing off of there, and then was able to pull the rest of it out with a pair of vice grips. So alrighty, I will catch back up with you when putting the new one in, and we will see if it works. Hopefully this is the problem. Alright, so we just put her back on there. I don't have a bolt for right here. It's such a small size, so I'll have to go back to the hardware store and get one at a later date. But I'm going to see if this was the problem and try to fire it up, and we will find out. Hopefully this was our issue. If not, well, the hunt continues then. So we'll see what happens, and stay tuned. Let's see if this thing will fire up. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Fuel pump's still just constantly running too, so yeah, that's definitely not the problem. It acts like a ground, but all the grounds are good, so I don't know. Something's going on. Well, the hunt continues.